Hey, what you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
We just go to your turbo.
Yeah, but it's already hooked up to the turbo. Where are you going right now?
Oh, we're going to the oil filter housing.
Oh god.
Come on, man, get a better angle with me. This is a bad angle.
So
Yeah, we're just going.
Beeline.
We're just going to zip tie all this up.
what?
Well, I like. I don't have an oil cooler. Usually there's a fat line that runs through here. That's what you're supposed to zip tie it to. I don't have that.
Because your factory oil cooler sits right here.
Yeah, so we're gonna wing it.
Sorry, children.
Put this on top. What do you mean by that? This is a family-friendly show, sir. Is that 11 mil? Wait. Where is this leg?
What?
Go back.
Oh, it's good. This is. Tell me when.
Actually, I need to do this one. Okay, let's see that one. See the gun. And we can push it.
Go ahead. Oh, but people don't know. Two-scope race, ETS intercooler. They didn't need to have the fancy one. Engineered. We're running the vacuum lines for the boost controller along with the dump tube alignment, adding coolant and oil at the same time. Anthony's putting on the final touches. While he got that, we put the car down, got everything mounted up as you guys saw in the time lapse. Got the battery hooked up. It's got the laptop because 4 cylinders and laptops are a must. What you got there?
Hey.
What you got?
You better go fast.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, first, disable injectors first.
I did.
Perfect.
We flashed this.
But why do we disable the injectors?
When you put in a new turbo, you gotta prime it, or else your internal's gonna get.
Get jacked up.
Yeah, I was gonna say F word.
Yeah. It was gonna get effed up.
Yeah, my mom watches this.
Okay. Well, come on, 2 + 2, let's go, man.
Come on, man.
Oh, you're doing the tuning.
Now I'm
Hey, man. Can you pull off a bit of timing from the distributor real quick?
battery might be dead.
Nah.
I don't have any
Oh yeah, the battery's dead. Just gonna grab this. Smells in here. Just gonna get Okay, and you. No, you.
Oh, no
Yeah,
way.
Yeah. Come on, man. You smell. Little stinky inky. No, but be for real, how's it smell? Don't. I was like, don't pull it, Ethan. Don't spray in your face. Come on, man. That's this. You're not getting paid for this.
How much is it?
Maybe $14, $15. I could be wrong.
I know, y'all. I got $14. Get this stuff right now. That's what your car smells like.
Yeah. And it's a lot. You get a boatload of sprays in here. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Now it smells better.
What's that Arkansas smell?
Yeah. Hey, you heard it here first. I mean, definitely, if you guys want to check out the light shower, go check it out at importgrade.com. We'll have the discount code right about right here, Sachin_works, to save yourself 20% off on this purchase, any future purchases, and or all purchases that you guys get. And the link will be in the description below. Now let's get back to this Evo. We're not real tuners. Come on. All right, third time's the charm. Oh, yeah, we got this hooked up to the battery charger over there. Because the battery's been dead. Been sitting for a minute. But it's doing things. Crank it. So I think that's good enough to prime a little bit. Say, let it run. Whenever you're ready, man.